This is a quick unboxing video of one of the new wireless microphone kits we have, specifically really designed for video conferencing applications, but it makes for a super clean and easy installation. So let's see what we got here. So as you can see, inside the container here we have the microphone. It's got its own plastic kind of separator here. And here's the microphone itself, which this is keeps a charge. You can put it out on the table, and it has a wireless receiver and transmitter that come with it. So as we go to the base here in the packing, we have this nice little kit that has your USB cable, as well as an extender cable, and then we also have our physical antenna. So the antenna for this is a simple USB. So you'd plug this in at the computer with your antenna set up. You would pair it with the microphone, and then you can put that speakerphone out on the table, and you have a great, simple, super clean solution for audio in any conference room, and you connect it right to whatever PC you use for your meetings. Well, thanks for checking out this quick unboxing, and we also have a dual mic kit that we'll be showing in another video. Thanks.